Ever wondered what life is living in Bedok Reservoir? Living in a home in a park or having a park in a home? Well, you can have a taste of it at this rare development at the Archipelago in Bedok Reservoir. Hi everyone, welcome to Singapore Home. Today, we're going to show you a rare 3-bedroom unit in a beautiful development, located right next to the Bedok Reservoir Park. As you step out of home, walk directly into Bedok Reservoir Park, away from the bustle of the city, breathe the fresh air, enjoy the greenery and be fascinated by nature. Archipelago is a unique project that is closer to nature, and all its enjoyment. It is a trans-urban development that redefines trendy and modern. Supermarkets, shops and eateries are right next door, with plenty more options at Bedok Town Centre, which is a short 8 minutes ride away. It's conveniently located with nearby amenities such as NTUC FairPrice, Sheng Siong Supermarket, shops, fast food outlets and many other eateries. If you're looking for more, Bedok Mall is within easy reach by bus or car. Besides, connection into town is as simple as walking 5 minutes to nearby Bedok North MRT. If you are worried about educational institutions of the place, for there are numerous schools of varying levels occupy the area around the condo. This includes prominent schools such as Damai Primary School, Damai Secondary School, Bedok Town Secondary School, Telok Kurau Primary School, Ping Yi Secondary School. Other college institutions such as United World College, Temasek Polytechnic, and the Singapore University of Technology and Design. Damai Primary School is literally a stone's throw away as it is only 300 meters away from Archipelago. Archipelago consists of 577 stunning residential units, completed in 2015. As Archipelago Condo is a 5-story development that comprises low-rise apartments and a number of semi-detached houses, the whole place has a very resort-like feel, with lovely meandering paths and water features interwoven around the site. Stress-releasing place to come home to. Apart from having a strategic location, this 1,432 square feet unit is a rare 3-bedroom penthouse that is away from the road noise since it is located on the inner side of the development in which it has no west sun. It overlooks the swimming pool and the behind is the lush green and nature reserve Bedok Reservoir Park. It is the only development that is a few minutes walks from the said park that is known for joggers, bikers, health, and water sports enthusiasts. You can see the living and dining area is over here. Once you enter the unit, you'll notice the spacious and beautifully designed living and dining area. Living room can be extended all the way to the balcony. It is perfect for gathering and entertaining friends and family. Here's the kitchen area. The kitchen adopts an open concept that allows more interaction with guests. With beautiful countertops and plenty of storage space, cooking will always be a breeze. There's a space for the fridge and there's 2 allowances at the top. There's no compromise or tight squeeze when there are ample rooms for all family members. 3 bedrooms are imbued with the warmth of the flooring, with wardrobes built in and bright airiness conferred by full-height glass windows. The common room is very spacious. The layout is perfect for kids' bedroom or a study room. You can also be able to admire the greeneries from the balcony. Here's the 2nd bedroom. It's spacious, airy and has a large window which increases the amount of natural light in this room. Going up the stairs, there is an area which you can turn into a study or work area. Your largest master bedroom sanctuary has the extra luxury of an ensuite bathroom and is able to fit a king-sized bed. You will also be able to have a restful reprieve from a long day at work by taking a nice shower. In addition, the facilities include a swimming pool, gymnasium, jacuzzi and many more. If you've seen anything that has interested you, please feel free to call us.